Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, I am your English teacher Miss Sadaf Javed, and today we are going to discuss book and notebook exercises of unit number 2, Friends of the Forest. You should all have your books and notebooks with you, so we can start with the writing of the exercises. Unit number 2, Friends of the Forest. First of all, you have to write this lesson outline in your English A side. What you have to write: words meaning 1 to 5 in notebook, word sentences in notebook. Exercise A, B and C of activities will be done on book page number 10. Exercise A, B, C, D and E word study will be done on book page number 12. Exercise A, B, C, D of checkup will be done on book page number 13. Let's start with our copy work. First of all, you have to write unit and then topic, word meaning. There are 5 word meaning. Number 1, herbivores. What are herbivores? Vegetarian or animals that feed on plants. Number 2, territory means area. Swampy, marshy or watery, gila ilaka. Fussy means selective or picky, choosy. Creatures means animal. Then word sentences. This is your homework. You have to make the sentences of your own. Number 1 word is gather. Gather means to collect. Danger, something dangerous happening. Danger means khatra. Forest, jungle. Quiet, khamosh. Underground, under the ground. You have to make the sentences of these words. These are very simple words. Now, this is your book exercise. Exercise A, answer the question on book page number 10. You should start writing with the pens. Question number 1, what are nocturnal animals? Animals that come out at night are called nocturnal animals. Name 3 nocturnal animals. There are different animals in your book, but you have to write just 3 names. Owls, hedgehogs, foxes. What kind of animal is a rodent? You have read about the rodent. What are rodents? Rodents have the sharp teeth to help them cut open hard food like nuts. Mice, squirrels, hamsters, rats are the examples of rodents. Number 4. How does the badger mark out its territory? What does badger do? Badgers leave a scent behind them when they travel to mark out their territory. Question number 5. Which woodland creatures are likely to? Which woodland creature like to burp? Answer is deer. Which woodland creature hoot? That is owl. Question number 6 is a general one. Which woodland animal would you like to meet? Why? I would like to meet the deer as it is a fascinating and beautiful animal. This is my answer, but you can write your own statement that which animal do you like to meet and what is the reason. Why would you like the animal to meet the animal? Then exercise B. Who am I? Look, think and write the correct animal or bird. I have a poor eyesight. Answer is hedgehog. Hedgehog have poor eyesight. I leave a smell behind. Which animals leave the smell behind? Badger. I was once a tadpole. A tadpole develops into a frog. I am a buck or a doe. Buck or a doe are deer. Number 5. I am a nutty collector. Nutty means the animal which collects the nut. The answer is squirrel. Number 6. Excuse me, I just burped. Burped का क्या मतलब है? डकार लेना. Which animal burps? Deer. I am a bit prickly. Prickly means which has needles, which can hurt you. They have spines. Which animals have spines? Hedgehog. I live in the underground tunnel. Badger lives in the underground tunnel. I am biggest of the group. All of the animals which we studied in chapter, which one is the biggest of them? Deer. I am a bit of a hoot. Owl likes to hoot. Answer is owl. Exercise C, you can see, draw what you think footprint of each animals look like. This is also your homework. You should draw the footprint of these animals. I have pasted the picture. For example, deer, fox, frog, mouse, badger, squirrel, hedgehog. These are the animals' footprints. You have to draw this on your book, page number 10. Then come to next exercise on page number 12. Comprehension. Find the words in the list that mean the opposite of those in the table. For example, day. What is the opposite of day? Night, right? Night here. Heavy, light. Right, wrong. Hard, soft. Cheap, expensive. Alive, dead. Beautiful, ugly. Bitter, sweet. New, old. Curly, straight. You just have to find the answer from this word cloud and you have to write the opposite of the words given in the table. Exercise B, vocabulary. Find the words in 1 and 2. This is 1 and 2 using the clues. These are the clues given and you have to write the answer, and at the end you have to make a compound word. Number 1, have a cup in the morning. Tea. We have a cup of tea in the morning. Use this to eat your cereal. With which thing we eat the cereal? With spoon. Plants need this to grow. Water. Definitely. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Answer is waterfall. You hear with it. We hear with our ear. You wear it on finger. We wear ring on our finger. The answer is earring. It's on the end of your arm. What is on the end of our arm? Hand. A baby does this with its rattle. A baby shake its rattle. What's the answer? Handshake. These are the compound words. Exercise C, word structure. Change one letter to make a new word at each step until you reach the target word. These are the words given in your book and these are the target word. You have to change one word to reach to the target word. For example, tree becomes free. We change the word T to F. Then free becomes flee and at the end fled. Number 2, fame. By changing F and adding C, it becomes came. Then case, and at the end target word is cast. Number 3, comb. From comb to come to home and then whole. Number 4, name. From name to dame. Dame means sir. Then dame to dime and at the end D-I-V-E, dive. To dive in the swimming pool or in the sea. Gota lagana. Number 5, nine. From nine to nice. Nice to rice and at the end race. We achieved our target word. You can change the word if you want to, but you have to make at the end you have to be at the target word. The target word should be same. You can change the word according to your own will. Exercise D, descriptors. Choose 2 words from the list to complete each sentence. Number 1, a squirrel has dash teeth and a dash tail. You have to select 2 words from the word cloud and complete the sentence. For example, a squirrel has sharp teeth and a bushy tail. The dash deer. The fallow deer is a type of deer. The fallow deer is a quiet animal who eats berries and grass. Number 3, frogs are small, smooth-skinned creatures who like wet areas. Number 4, foxes are large, clever animals who hunt at night for their food. Number 5, the hedgehog curls up like a round ball and has a spiny coat. Then exercise E, teaser time. Can you make 10 words from the words fallow deer? For example, fallow. You have to make 10 words from fallow. First word I have made fallow, then allow, then wool. These are 3 words. You have to make other words also. This is your homework. This is your task. You have to make other 7 words out of this fallow. Okay, you can write fall, you can write all. There would be 10 words. 3 words I have given you, 7 words you have to make it. Okay, your homework is to draw footprint of each animals on book page number 10 and make sentences of your own in the notebook and complete exercise E, teaser time, on book page number 12, as I have told you to make the 10 words out of fallow. Okay, thank you. Take care and stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.